the respondent rejects it, and perhaps we could supply a counsel of by the government.
And of course, it is totally improper for a prosecutor to act as counsel.
Definitely for the accused.
Yes. Looks at
Def- Definitely.
it's unusual.
Well, it's not unusual. I think it's illegal. You must appear only for the government.
It's illegal. Very good point. That's why we're just wondering. Okay. Just one point with the permission. Just isa na lang. Okay. Oh. Oh, very good point, sabi ng chairman. Oh, sige nga. Oh, now. Sino? Paano to si... Kerwin. Sabi mo, noong 2004 ka pa nag-umpisa magnegosyo sa droga. Tama po ba yan?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Ngayon, masyadong mahaba ang panahon, ngunit, let's say for the last 5 years, magkano po ang inyong gross sales bawat taon ng droga? Magkano ang naibibenta niyong droga? Sa nakalipas, let's say na 5 taon, umpisahan natin, just off the top of, ano lang, talagang estimate lang. Nililista mo ba ang sales mo? Hindi. Kerwin,
Your Honor.
nililista mo ba ang benta mo? Hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi. Alright. So, sa recollection mo lang, magkano ang gross sales mo noong, let's say, 2013?
2013.
Magkano ang ano?
Depende po yun, Your Honor, kasi ibibigay namin consignment.
Kaya
Yung
nga,
iba.
Hindi.
Yung ano lang, estimated, ano lang,
Estimate lang, oo, estimate.
for 1 year.
Oo, for 1 year, 2013. Estimate lang. Just so we can get an idea of this.
4.5 times. Mga estimated siguro 40 to 50 million.
40 to 50 million per year.
Yeah.
Estimate.
Yes.
Yan ang sales mo.
Yes.
Ngayon, sa 2014, roughly lang,
Jesus. Dili. 2014.
Taas mo po ano.
Juan.
Nawala pa yung payola. Okay naman.
just gross sales. So, magkano benta mo nun, yun?
Mga yung gross niyan siguro mga 50 to 60, wala pa yung payola.
Naman, kay gross sales, wala yung payola. Expense yung payola, hindi ba?
Okay. Sorry for your
Ngayon, sa 2015, mga ganun din, o tumaas?
mga ganun pa rin, Your Honor.
Okay, mga 2016, ganun din, o tumaas?
Hindi ko na makompleto po yung 2016 kasi umalis na po
ano lang,
nakarang
yung ano lang, just estimate, hindi naman
First
rate lang.
month. Mga 30 to 35.
30 to 35. Ngayon, doon sa mga gross sales mo, distributor ka lang, hindi ba? Sabi mo, hindi
Yes.
ka man from manufacturer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ngayon, ano ang cost of sales mo? Magkanong bili mo sa doon sa mga producers? Kila Peter Co, pag ganyan.
Per kilo po, Your Honor.
Oo. Magkanong percent? Percent lang. Kung 100,000 o 100 ang benta mo, magkano doon ang percentage nung cost nung shabu na binili mo? Kasi distributor ka lang eh. Mayroon bang 20%, 10% ang cost? Magkano?
Your Honor, excuse me, nalilibog na ako sa...
Nalilito ka, hindi ka na nalilibog.
Bisaya.
Ha? Bisaya ka
Mr. Chairman,
Oo.
ang nalilibog sa Bisaya is nalilito.
Nalilito ka na.
He's
Ah,
confused.
sige, alright. No, my point is, alright.
We can forgive him. He's
Okay,
my kababayan.
siguro, ano na lang, just a straight question. Kung magkano ang kinikita mo, kung ang sales mo ay 50 million, magkano yung neto sa'yo doon?
Sa 50 million siguro nasa kalahati.
So, 50%, 100%, in other words, kung kalahati, 50%
50%.
ang tubo mo. Tama po ba?
Oo. Opo, Your Honor.
Magkano ang SOP mo dyan? Sa 50, let's say, 100 million ang sales mo, 50 yung gastos mo, doon sa 50%, magkano ang SOP mo? Ang pambayad sa pulis, ganyan. Yan, gas. Pwede, meron din siya. Distributor lang siya. Yung meron siyang raw materials. Cost of sales. Hindi, kaya nga, magkano? Just to give you an idea. just this last question.
Sa 50 million, Your Honor, may 20 plus ako na payola.
Ah, okay. So, 20 million plus na payola.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. I see. So, doon sa kinikita mong 50 million or 50%, hindi mo nire-report ito sa income tax mo, no? Tinatanong po kita, ikaw ba, ano lang, just for the record, hindi ka nagbabayad ng buwis dito.
Objection, Your Honor.
What?
The witness has to be appraised of his rights. It's right against self-incrimination.
No, for all you know, the answer is no, I don't do it.
May mga legitimate business po din ako.
Sige, thank you very much. Thank you po sa interruption ni Senator Gordon.
Senator Mix, Subiri is recognized.
Maraming salamat, Chairman. Chairman Gordon, Chairman Lacson.
Just for the record, excuse me, I will interrupt again. We have to apply the same norm when we apply to the police that they must respect the rights of the accused. When you ask somebody whether he's paying his taxes, that is a criminal case that can be filed against him. So that is his right. We went to the same law school. I think he was absent when that was taught. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May hapon, Kerwin. May hapon, General De La Rosa. Kay Secretary Aguirre, good afternoon. Is it all right, Mr. Chairman, because I want to show some pictures that were very important and vital that were not presented last week or in the last hearing. I present this because I got this information from this gentleman beside me. Kung okay lang sa iyo, Kerwin, siguro wag mo na tignan ito dahil sa tatay mo to, pero napakalaga, ipapakita po namin sa committee. And I would like to ask Mr. Byron Acob to substantiate itong picture na ito. Kinuha mo ito, Mr. Chairman, this gentleman was the media that was there right after the mayor was shot. At ipapakita po natin dyan na wala pong baril ang mayor. I'd like to confirm that. Can you confirm that, Mr. Acob, na wala pong baril si Mayor Espinosa at that time, to pagpasok mo sa selda?
Okay, Alcoba po yun.
Yes, Mr. Acob, Alcoba.
Okay. Ganyan po yung pagpasok ko, Your Honor. Nakita ko nakahiga siya sa sahig ng kanyang selda kung saan wala po siyang baril na makikita sa kanyang...
At wala po kayong nakitang baril doon?
Wala po. Kahit po yung marking ng baril na palatandaan may baril na kinuha ng Soko, pero wala po ako nakita.
So walang baril. You can confirm that and substantiate.
Opo, wala po ako nakitang baril.
Sa next slide po, para kay Kerwin, tanggalin na po natin yan. Yung susunod na slide dito sa CCTV equipment, pakitanggal na po yung pictures na yan. Pinapakita din po ninyo dito na kinuha po ang equipment.
Opo, wala na po dyan yung CCTV device para makita yung mga paligid sa jail.
So this confirms what the jail warden has said na tinanggal po ang mga CCTV equipment.
Hindi ko lang po nakita kung tinanggal, pero ganyan na po yung inabutan ko.
Dito sa baril, I do not know who to address this to the Chief PNP. Hindi pa po na-check yung serial number ng baril na pong nahanap or allegedly nakita po kay Mayor Espinosa. Kasi it can easily be traced. I believe the same serial number of a firearm of similar nature was surrendered by a gentleman from Region 6, a certain Johnny Crispo. Nagulat po siya dahil yung serial number na pinalabas doon sa Super 38 ay pareho sa kanyang serial number na Super 38 at siya po ay sumurrender sa CIDG 6. Dala po ng 45. It was 45, hindi po na Super 38. So, hindi ko po alam. It just goes to show na it's a bit fishy yung nangyari dito sa baril na ito na isama doon sa bangkay, allegedly, no, used in the shootout. Pero sa lumalabas po sa pahayag ni Mr. Alcoba na wala pong baril nakita niya, wala po siya nakitang baril at that time. Dito sa hard drive, General, maybe it's best that you dig deeper into this together with the Department of Justice to really see if there is telltale signs of cover-up dito sa pagwala ng CCTV, Your Honors. May we know if the committee invited the other media man that was mentioned na kasama po, Mr. Chairman? Mr. Chair? Gusto po lang natin malaman kung yung isang kasama po na media man na sinasabi po ni Colonel Marcos na nakasama sa raid ay naimbita din po.
Si Mr.
Mr. Caorte,
Yul Caorte po, sir.
Yulo yun, no?
Yes, sir. Yul Caorte.
Buhay pa ba
Ako
siya?
yung-
Buhay pa ba? O...
Yung 45 po, sir, na match po doon sa nag-surrender na kamatch na serial number, yung caliber 45 po yun, sir. May civilian na nagpakita na meron siyang the same serial number. Nakita ko po sa TV yun. Ngayon, parang nangyari, dinuplicate po yung serial number ng baril.
Yes.
Ayun.
So, but
Hindi po yung Super 38, yung caliber 45 po.
pero yung nahanap ninyo is a Super 38.
Yes po, katapos
Supposedly.
narinig ko po sa interview ni Mr. Yul Caorte kay Ted Filon na nung pumasok sila at nakita wala ng baril doon sa sahig dahil tapos na po yung pag-process ng Soko, sir. Na-recover na po ng Soko yung baril.
Meron kasi ako nakita ng litrato, Colonel, na before and after. Meron pong baril sa tabi ni Mayor, nakasulat pa yung chalk doon sa baril sa tabi ng kanyang kamay. At yan ay klarong-klaro na wala po dito.
Hindi po ang CIDG po nag-process ng crime scene, sir. So, based doon sa accounts ni Mr. Yul Caorte, nakita niya na wala ng baril dahil recovered na po ng Soko.
But I'd like to ask Mr. Alcoba, when you saw the body of Mayor Espinosa, was the Soko already there? Had they processed the body?
Tapos na po mag-process yung
Ang tanong siguro,
mga soko.
sino nauna sa inyo ng Soko na pumasok?
Soko po ang nauna.
So, tapos na yung processing.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Pero marami pa ring lapses, Your Honor, bakit naman tinanggal yun dun sa crime scene at ibinalik at may drawing pa na klarong-klaro naman under these pictures that we saw earlier na wala naman siya dun. So, sayang General De La Rosa, wala po kayo dito sa last hearing. Dahil sa last hearing, napakaraming butas talaga ang lumalabas sa operations na ito na pag-raid nila kay Mayor Espinosa. So much so na pati yung PD po ninyo, yung RD, ay nabulaga. At sila mismo dito, in their testimony, hindi po sila makapaniwala sa nangyari na yun. As a matter of fact, the regional director was in Manila at the time, or was in Tacloban, at tinawagan siya ng alas 6 ng umaga ng media at hindi po niya alam anong isasagot niya dahil hindi niya nga alam na merong ganong klaseng raid. General.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was with the official delegation, with the President in his official trip to Malaysia, Your Honor, during the time.
alam po namin yun, and we knew you were excused at the time because you were abroad at that time. Pero kung totoo nga itong lumalabas na napakaraming operational lapses, tapos kinonfirm pa na yun ni Kerwin, na may link silang dalawa at silang tatlo, the gunman, supposedly the one who shot Mayor Espinosa,